Alright, so welcome to Splash Social Center. Splash Social Center is located on the SPINTEX road, which is managed by Swim, and he is a very good instructor when it comes to swimming. He teaches swimming. Splash Social Center is on the SPINTEX road. Actually, you can see me in there. Well, that's a very good motive. When I got there, I really felt it. Like, it's really a good place where you can actually have your parties, your birthday parties, and so far this is one of the best pools I have also been to. They actually do good things, and trust me, you will never get disappointed whenever you go there with friends. What's your name?
We see Ado first.
Okay, how long have you been here?
I started in August.
You started in August?
Yes.
So who teaches you swimming?
I have 3 coaches. One is called Gelo, one is called G, and then one is called Daniel. I think it's after G. I've learned many styles of swimming. There are 4 styles of swimming. There is the backstroke, there is the freestyle, there is the breaststroke, and then there's the butterfly.
So you can do all those ones?
I'm not very good at the butterfly.
But you can show me how it is?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So when I get you inside the water, you can show me some freestyles you've been doing. Which one is the backstroke?
So you lie on your back in the water.
And which one is the butterfly?
It's made up of 2.
Okay.
There's the dolphin kick, and then there's the fly.
Eh.
Go up to.
Wow, and what else? That's all you know. Okay, so let's get into the water and then you show us something, yeah? Oh my god. This kid is just 9 years and he is swimming from, I think, 9 feet. If not 9, it could be 10, because I remember that this pool is very deep. With my height, when I'm in the pool, I think it covers my head, and this little kid is swimming with no life jacket, nothing. He is being trained, and I learned that he was just trained for just 2 good months, and he's perfect. You can see how he's really swimming. Like, I'm asking, how many people, how many grown-ups can swim like this? You know, this is very awesome, and I think anyone should contact Splash Social Center. This is a very good excitement, and I'm overwhelmed with this, seeing little children, little kids under 10 years swimming this way. Oh my goodness, these children are just, I think, 2 months or 3 months trained, and look at how this kid is really swimming. Wow, is this not beautiful? Just look at that, just look at that. I think you would be very happy to let your child to also, you know, I think you'll be happy if your child can also swim like this, because it's never too late. I think you need to contact Splash Social Center.
I was crawling, try to get up, falling down and rising up again and again. Like the morning sun, darkness always comes preceding. Yes, you shot, yes, you pierced, and on the ground you bleeding. Don't you ever doubt yourself, you gotta know your wealth. Ain't nobody winning in life unless there is a challenge, trials and temptations, darkness and the lightness. Life doesn't really care if you're guilty or you're innocent. Yeah, things should never be the same, cause no one was born a loser, and we don't deserve it either. And now we're breaking the chains, we will win. I will rise, I will rise, I will rise. Yes, I know, and I believe that I will always rise.
I'll be alright again, no matter how to fall. I will rise again. Oh, I'll be alright again. How many times I fail, I will rise again. Oh, I'll get back up again. How many times life knocks me down, I will rise again. I'll rise up, 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 I'll rise up. rise up, I rise up, I rise up. I will rise up, I rise up, I will rise up, I rise up, I rise up, I rise up.
Yeah, I know I got a lot of dreams. I know you got a lot of dreams. Sometimes you're really scared, cause you were down and so weak. I'm like a spring when I fall, I really gotta bounce up. I'm like an ocean, never dry, always gotta fill up. Never scared of life, cause I only got one chance to live. Rise up and straight up.
Okay, so let me take you to their washrooms, right? This is the female washroom and this is also the male washroom. Actually, I didn't take you here, but I'm now showing you. It's clean. It's also clean, and you know, they have places where they change as well, which is actually the changing room. So this is the changing room, as you can see, and also we have the manager's office inside there. Exactly. And this place is actually where it's like a restaurant where you can go sit, and they also have chairs by the poolside where you can actually have fun, like, you know, sit and have your drink or something like that, you know, that kind of thing. This is really good because most places when you go to some pools, they don't really have a changing room. Like you don't even have any place to, you know, keep your stuff, and that is very challenging. But with Splash Social Center, they really have provided everything you need. And there are also games and activities over there. Remember, if you really need costumes, you can get that. And also, the place is actually very big, and I think any other person should try Splash Social Center. This is a very good opportunity for you. They have packages as well. If you really need a personal instructor, they have it. And remember, they also have a code room.
Yeah, I know I got a lot of dreams. I know you got a lot of dreams. Sometimes you're really scared, cause you were down and so weak. I'm like a spring when I fall, I really gotta bounce up. I'm like an ocean, never dry, always gotta fill up. Never scared of life, cause I only got one chance to live. Rise up and straight up, fight hard and chill hard. Just stop and then move on, cause one day I'll be long gone. My dreams will be like a song. Hope and dreams are so high. When you start your journeys of life, hoping that everything will be okay. When it's all said and done, action surely takes the place. Time to heal and time to see, time to feel and time to breathe. Cause I know definitely I will surely rise now.